Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually refund a piece of clothing on TEMU. Now let's say you bought a pair of jeans or a shirt and it doesn't fit, and I'm going to show you how to actually send it back and get your money back for a refund. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to TEMU by typing it into Google. Now from there we open up the official TEMU website and we sign into our existing account. Now you do that in the top right corner right here. Now once you've signed into your existing account where you bought the item, all you have to do is go down to your profile right here, and inside your profile you have a load of options to choose from. Now we're going to the top option, and that says your orders. Now inside your orders you go to all orders right here. Now let's say it's the first order right here and it has been delivered to my address. Now, and let's say that this is the item that we want to return, and that is your pair of jeans. Now we're going to return or refund, and from here we receive the package and says yes. Now from there you select the item that you want to refund, and it's the blue pair of jeans right here, for example. Simply select it, go to a reason. Now let's say it doesn't look like it was on the website, like right here, inaccurate website description. Now you can upload a couple of photos. Let's say it doesn't fit you, then you can show it. Here select the quantity and a comment like it doesn't fit me as it should. Now note that you are eligible for one free return per order. Now let's say you got a shirt and a jeans, simply select them both at the time because you get only one chance to refund it for free. Now from here we go to the next step, and as you can see right here it says it also again. Simply press next, and as you can see we offer a one-time opportunity to get a refund. Now here original or refund method, so here simply select this, and now what you will need to do is to simply submit it, and as you can see here there's no need to return it because now we simply get it for free, and here it says feel free to keep, donate or recycle the item. Now if that's not the case for you, you should simply contact the TEMU support service. Now how you can do this is simply go to the top right corner and chat with TEMU. Now TEMU is a service that actually is really into helping their customers. So simply note the problem you're running into. So let's say I bought a pair of jeans and I want to return it. And then from there they will help you in the process and go in step by step on how to do it. Now it's a very easy process, and if you still get any questions or run into problems, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.